I am a cash value insurance professional. My job is to look out for your long-term financial health. The products I sell gain cash value as the stock market rises, but create no additional tax burden because it's insurance. Amazingly, they track up but not down with their stock market index. With a 0% guaranteed floor and compound interest, plus zero tax consequences, they pay off incredibly well. And of course, it's insurance that protects your family. Meet Ben. Ben is an entrepreneur. Ben used the cash value of his life insurance to fund his successful business. He walks in the footsteps of giants, following the lead of Walt Disney and Ray Kroc, both of whom famously used the cash value of their life insurance to fund their businesses. Meet Sarah. Sarah is doing well, but her husband is ill. Luckily, Sarah bought an index universal life policy for her husband last year when he was healthy. He now receives $5,000 a month from his IUL living benefits. Sarah also has an IUL for herself, so she doesn't worry about her children. Sarah and her husband are happy that they wisely invested in their future. They know they will never be a burden. Next, Sarah wants to buy a policy which her young daughter can use to pay for college. I love my job helping families. I can help you too. I will design a custom IUL just for your needs. It's free and easy, and I am happy to do it. My website is theiulguys.com. Contact me at theiulguys.com for your own IUL policy. Or give me a call at 941-322-7227. I promise you'll be glad you did.